Just listen to the bird calling out. Two of them. There's another one. It's that. So there's 3 different types of birds here. And beautiful after the storm. 10-cent piece size hail. Very electrical storm. Just looking out to the east. Over there you can see a waterfall formed off that cliff face over there. Just to the right hand side of that cloud. You can see it looks like at about probably 80 degrees, 70 degrees at the bottom third. First time we've seen that here. It's quite heavy rain. Looks like we've had about 20 mil. So I've had probably 110 mil in the last 3 days. Swanamic out. We'll have a lovely afternoon. Birds sound beautiful. Calling out to let his mates know.